Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing 9 different pencils for watercolor sketching to see how they react with watercolor. First, here are the pencils I'll be using. An AB mechanical pencil, a 2B mechanical pencil, and a mechanical pencil with red lead. So this is the red lead I'm using. And you can also find it in a mix of colors, blue, orange, pink. Really nice to use. So next we'll be using Polychromos Faber-Castell Red Scarlet, the cold gray, and the Cobalt green. Really nice colors. And now 3 Faber-Castell pencils. The Pitt oil base, the Graphite Aquarelle HB, and the Pitt Graphite Matte 2B. So some of these will be waterproof, and let's see how they work together. I've already sketched each flower with each pencil. Under each sketch, I write the pencil name so it's easy to compare later. Now, I'm painting each flower with the same watercolors and technique. I'm not aiming for perfection here, I just want to see how each pencil behaves. Does it smudge? Does it fade? Does it stay visible? Does it ruin everything? So let's see how they do. After everything dries, you can really see the difference. I start by choosing my color palette for this fancy flower, which I'll be using a variety of purples, pinkish purples, and yellow. So I'm going to start painting all of them with yellow for those 3 petals, and let's see if the yellow doesn't turn muddy with all those pencils. I love these fancy flowers. They have a variety of colors. They're so beautiful. Who doesn't love them, right? So in Portuguese they are called amores perfeitos, perfect loves. So now let's analyze all of them. The first one, well, no messes there. It's all nice. No blurs. No muddy. This one also, it's nice. The red one also nice. This one with color pencil also nice. This one too, the gray one also, nothing happened. The blue one also, nothing happened. This one also, nothing happened. Well, until we get to this one, that is Graphite Aquarelle, and of course it's Aquarelle, it will smudge when you put water on it. If you want that kind of effect, well, go ahead and use it. And the last one also, nothing happened. Well, so far so good. Some pencils stay very strong, some soften nicely under the paint, and a few almost disappear. My favorites are the pencils that don't bleed, don't turn muddy, and still give me a clean sketch line. If you enjoy loose watercolor sketching, choose the right pencil. Choosing the right pencil really makes a difference. Let me know in the comments which pencil you liked best and what you usually use for watercolor. So these are some studies I did before starting this project. Graphite on a colored pencil, testing out the colors, and the final one with the watercolors with the color palette. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Happy paintings! Bye!